Here, right here, yeah.
Oh.
Yes, and now lean back first. You want to make it easy, you have to lean back more. Yes, yes, and then drop one foot down. Yes, second foot down. Yes, and keep doing that. Spread out more your leg a little bit more because you toe.
What?
If you toe, you have to spread out more your leg. Open more.
I don't have that much space.
Yeah. Good. Keep going. Yeah, that's the way.